Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 9 about the short past and repeat the reading out loud. I studied English yesterday. You always learned last year. He never read texts with classmates before. She listened to audios in English last week. They went to the English Language Institute last Saturday. We practiced the English language online 6 months ago. The class always helped me to improve. I did homework because it was important. I didn't cut hair 2 weeks ago. You didn't cook sushi with friends the day before yesterday. He didn't text during English class. She didn't sing pop songs because she didn't like them. They didn't go to the park last night. We didn't write in French at the university. The computer didn't work at all.